Hi Edward, hi Becky, second video of the morning. This is the upstairs hall above the stairs, and we talked about an L shape. Now I've created two more variations of that L shape. You may notice that I've made the back wall the continuous part, so I've moved the joint from there to there. I can't really explain that. My gut just tells me that's a better thing to do from an engineering point of view. This is C3 and we have a 500mm deep shelf on the back, and as before a 300mm shelf on the left side, and that's the hinge side of the door. Let me just show what I want to compare that to, which is C4. It's the same basic structure, but we have a 400mm shelf here and a 300mm shelf here as before, door hinged on the left. And let's just give that a little rotation. Again, ignore the fact that some of these components are offset and some of them need trimming. I think the question is, do you value the increased depth on that back wall, or are you happy with either 300, 400 or 500 here? This is the 500 we're looking at, the C4. Sorry I'm confusing you, this is the 400mm on the back wall. I'm going to give you 2D drawings of these, so it's just a case of, what do you think you're going to be storing? Is that extra depth valuable there? You can't have the extra depth there. That's got to be 300 or you're not going to be able to walk in. Just give it some thought. Okay, thanks a lot.